morning. Welcome back to the world of science. In our last class, we have discussed about chapter 8, moon, stars, constellations, everything. Now we are moving to chapter 9, mix and separate. Mix and separate is the topic. In this topic, we are mainly discussing about substances and their properties. At the end of today's video, you will be able to describe pure substances, which are known as molecules, and mixtures. The word pure is important, right? Because we will say pure water and pure juice. Many places we can see the word pure. But when it comes to chemistry part, the word pure is having a different meaning. Let's see in our topic. Take one piece of sugar candy and taste it. You'll feel the sweet taste, isn't it? After that, break down that sugar candy into small pieces. When you're breaking it and tasting, you will get the same taste, right? That means the sugar candy is having same taste in all the areas. If you are breaking it, if it is a small piece also, sugar candy is having same taste and color. That means sugar candy is made up of a single substance, and that substance we are calling molecule. So we can say if there is no other colors or any other things are not added to a sugar crystal, we can say that sugar crystal is a pure substance. If you are taking one glass of water and there is no dust particles, there is no salt, there is no sugar, nothing is there in that water, only water is there. Only water molecules are present, we can say that is pure water. So there are substances which are pure substances, which are impure substances. Pure substances means only one type of component will be there. As we said in case of water, water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom combine to form water which we are drinking. But when we open the tap water, there will be some dust particles, some salt will be there, many other impurities will be there, isn't it? So we can't say that tap water is completely pure water, but after purification we can take out only water from it. That we can call pure water because it is made up of only water molecules. So molecules, as we said, molecules are pure substances. If you break down the sugar crystals or water, whatever it is, if you are breaking down into small pieces, at the end you will get the smallest piece of water, right? And that piece will have all the properties of water. The smallest part, the smallest component of the water will have all the properties of water. That is called molecule. So what is a molecule? The smallest component of a particle which retains all the properties of that substance is called molecule. If you are taking solid, liquid, gas, any substance, we are dividing that into very smallest pieces. All these substances, around us is made up of molecules. Whatever you observe around you, even your body also made up of molecules. The shirt you wear, the dress you wear, your hair, your pen, notebook, textbook, bag, the wall, your home, everything. When we are going to the smallest particle, everything is made up of molecule. Each and everything around us is made up of molecules. What these molecules are made up of, we will study later. Okay, so molecules can show the property of that substance. So remember the word molecule. Then what will happen when molecules are combining? When more than one molecules are added, for example, sugar is added with water. Then we are adding sugar with water, right? Two different molecules are added or mixed. Such type of substances are known as mixtures. They are known as mixtures. So we have learned two things now, molecules and mixtures. Molecules are the smallest particle of any substance which possess all the properties of it. When we are mixing two or more than two molecules, that is known as mixtures. And we have two types of mixtures. So there are mainly two types of mixtures. When we observe mixtures, for example, sugar solution we are taking. Sugar added to water, it is kept. And chalk powder added to water and it is kept in front of you. When you observe these two mixtures, you can see some differences. First mixture is made up of sugar and water. Other one is made up of chalk powder and water. When we observe or taste the sugar, or if we take a sample of sugar solution from the bottom of the glass and from the top of the glass, it is same, right? It is showing same property, same sugar taste will be there. And particles are also equally distributed everywhere. But when we are coming to chalk powder and water, we can observe chalk powder is not uniformly arranged in the water. In the bottom you can see more chalk powder, more solids. Some of them will be floating. Some of the chalk powder is dispersing inside the water. So it is not uniform, right? So two types of mixture, sugar solution and chalk powder when we are taking it. One we can call homogeneous mixture and the other one we can call it as heterogeneous mixture. Sugar solution is an example for homogeneous mixture. Chalk powder and water is called heterogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixtures will show same property throughout the mixture. But when it goes to heterogeneous mixture, they will show different properties when we are going to the mixture, and different parts will show different properties. One more example we can take. You are adding salt into water. If you are taking salt water, wherever you taste, all the parts will have same salty taste. But if you are adding soil or sand into water and mixing, we can see more sand and soil in the bottom. It's not uniformly arranged. The particles are not uniformly distributed inside the mixture. So that is heterogeneous, and salt solution is homogeneous mixture. So what are the things we have learned today? First we have learned molecules, which are the pure form or purest form, and they will show all the properties of that substance. Mixtures combine to form, or molecules combine to form mixtures. So first molecules will show all the properties of that substance. Molecules, two or more molecules combine to form mixtures. Two types of mixtures are the homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so read your textbook, study the definitions, read the definitions and study the examples. We will discuss more about this in our live session. Okay, thank you.